Hello friend, I am Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 6397360717. I am trying to explain about organized self-employment ministry and budget. This is written by me and in the book Truth Only Trumps. This Truth Only Trumps is trying to explain that now time has come. We have to make organized principle for the self-employment through the help of government, parliament, and trust and faith in Truth Only Trumps, organized self-employment ministry and budget, Amit Kumar Jha. That is me. First principle is right of pension, fundamental right. Right of pension after 14 years for self-earning, self-income, certain cash, certain fiscal credit showing to certain ministry office, fundamental right. Right of educational certificate in capital value. We should be preamble wise organized employed, preamble wise organized self-employed. We should be directly linked to ministry and directly linked to budget. Our constitutional life should be documented between 0 to 18 years and 18 to 58 years. After that, retirement through fiscal credit salary. Our industrial brother, educational brothers, family brothers, our religious brothers and our government brothers all should get their rights with us, and we all move with organized vote system. I have written this in 2001. This is 2021. I am trying to explain because we, by the efforts of Amit Kumar Jha, can become self-employed government job servant in the secretariat with the help of document, with the help of democracy, with the help of ministry, with the help of budget, and with the help of the lecture which I am explaining regularly on organized self-employment ministry budget channel under my guidance. Under this Truth Only Trumps. Truth Only Trumps is the drama written by me in 2001 on 31st August 2001, and from then I have been propagating this drama because it is in our heart in every Hindu family. By documents we can understand. Let us sit in a democratic election commission laboratory of Amit Kumar Jha with Shiv Puran and the 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari with 20 crore Aadhaar card. That is Shiv Parvati from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle. Then by my principle, we want to make our regular income the Vishnu Puran, Ramayana and Bhagavad Gita with 12 dhoti and 12 Banarsi sari, putting 20 crore Aadhaar card. It is Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir documents. In English, Shiv Parvati welfare power, Vishnu Lakshmi live money. Third is Brahma Saraswati. The various ISBN, Brahma Saraswati Puran and various ISBN. That is the different book written by Vivekananda, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chand Chatterjee, Bhimrao Ambedkar, Mohandas Gandhi, and different types, Jawaharlal Nehru, different Atal Bihari Vajpayee, different types of scholars. We are putting that ISBN, that is Brahma Saraswati Puran, which is propagating Brahma Saraswati. With that 20 crore Aadhaar card we are putting there. Third, fourth, Adi Shakti Jagadamba. that is Durga Saptati, Devi Bhagavad Puran, 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti we are putting there, and in that 20 crore Aadhaar card and the documents, the constitutional work of Sarojini Naidu, Lata Mangeshkar, the Pratibha Patil, Sushma Swaraj, these types of great lady who has worked hard in the field of social welfare and for the prosperity of India. 20 crore Aadhaar card devoted to the women of India. Then fifth one, the Hindu Varsh, Surya Chandrama, Navagrah Dhanvantri, Sanakadi Muni, Saptarishi, these types of Muni and these types of Devi Devta, which we are calling in Rudrajag, the various types of Satyanarayana Puja and various types of Puja, putting 12 Banarsi sari and 12 dhoti and putting 20 crore Aadhaar card. In English it is Truth Savior and Truth Saviors. Now, for making organized self-employment ministry and budget in democratic way, 20 into 5. From this documents we are dividing into 16.66 into 6, that is equal to 100%. 66.66 goes to the documents of the Parliament, RBI, Supreme Court, bureaucracy, Army, Police, Secretariat, University, this, and develop Hindu organized self-employment ministry, self-employment government job system with Bhimrao Ambedkar constitutional book, and automatically 16.66% Aadhaar card, we are 20 crore Aadhaar card, 60.66 Aadhaar card, in total Hindu Aadhaar card 120 crore we are putting. Now after that, from 1947 we have been married in the various ways all over India. You can understand very well. Democratic life has fully involved us. In those days, we were not understanding that politicians' work are also praised. You can well remember from 1885, 31st December 1885 till 31st August 1946, the politicians who were working with their money, they never took money from the government. They sold their land or they sold their saving, whatever saving they had, and they tried to propagate India, and they built national flag, and we are living in the glorious period. The same thing we require today. We have to understand, if they would have asked for political work, automatically we would have made organized self-employment ministry and budget, because a democratic people also require a place for work, because where they will propagate their ideas. That is why I, in Amit Kumar Jha, Truth on Literums, trying to explain 30,000 above and 30,000 below. A politician, those who will understand politician and politician work, equality, liberty and fraternity, the organized democratic life values that yes, constitutional regular income can come. They will respect the equilibrium employment point, 30,000 above and 30,000 below. The industrial friend will also and are also understanding this, and they are also understanding that this 30,000 above and 30,000 below equilibrium, employment equilibrium point of self-employment and organized should be made constitutionally, so that the vote bank can be developed constitutionally. Because at that time, on 31st August 1946, and between that, from 1st September 1946 till 26th January 1950, when we adopted our constitution, our thought was idealistic. We were thinking that we will always be idealistic. But what happens when money starts deteriorating, when we start less earning, then lot of poverty and lot of problem starts coming in our life, and then we start thinking space, And at that time we don't have space, because time has passed, because there was time at the time of constitution. If we would have told that we industrial brother also require 20 crore Aadhaar card, we educational brother also require 20 crore Aadhaar card for work, we family members also require 20 crore Aadhaar card, we truthful people also require 20 crore Aadhaar card, and we government brothers sisters also require 20 crore, then politician would have told that we require also 20 crore Aadhaar card. But now that 26 January 1950 has passed, we are in 73 years of Republic Day. Now I am trying to explain that if we will make this arrangement, our industrial brother constitutionally, through the documents which just I have told of the Aadhaar card, that constitutionally you are the owner, and constitutionally you are the owner, and by this vote bank we will make, and we will develop self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month showing in organized self-employment ministry made by Amit Kumar Jha, Sardapur, Lohna Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, pin code 847407, mobile number 639736017, and purchase truth only Trump, and generate faith and trust in Amit Kumar Jha. We can constitutionally sign the agreement, and our political brothers and sister who is sitting in parliament, the 750 MPs, 540 to 45 from the Lok Sabha and 250 from the Raj Sabha, and similarly from the Vidhan Sabha and Vidhan Parishad, 4,500 brothers and sisters who are sitting there, and we will show the documents, and this is our vote bank. Automatically what will happen, they will also get that yes, my Indian people has understood my work and I will work according to that. Automatically the Organized Self-Employment Act will be passed, and self-employment government job system through Amit Kumar Jha administrative system will come, and the industrial brother will also get 20 crore Aadhaar card, everyone will get, and 30,000 equilibrium point will be accepted by each and everyone in the society, and we will have no brothers and sister will move like that, because at that time we were idealistic. We never thought one space is required for our political brothers also. Therefore organized self-employment ministry and budget was not made. Our sisters, our brothers who are in 130 crore Aadhaar card all want a regular income, but how to make they are not understanding. I know how to make, but I require trust, faith and democratic credential from you by the vote, and the parliamentary trust, which parliamentarian trust on the people. Both have to understand on the document, and when they will purchase truth only trumps and organize self-employment ministry and budget, and when three brother and sister annual budget 108 ministry, railway budget 1 ministry, and organize self-employment ministry and budget from the angle of Rashtrapati Bhavan, understand this, that self-employment ministry and budget administration can give government job as well as document we have signed from the illiterate table, from the 12th pass table, from the graduation table, and from the post graduation table, and from the organized employed table. We all will be self-employed from the home, and we will all get organized self-employment ministry and budget office. We have to understand that we as a politician also require a table where we can talk for the vote bank. We are going in Shiv Shakti Mandir for the work. We are going in Vishnu Lakshmi Ram Sita Krishna Radha Mandir for the work. We are going in Brahma Saraswati ISBN Mandir, where Vivekanand Ramakrishna Mission is there, where Saraswati Dayanand, where Ram Mohan Rai Semri Raja Ram Mohan Rai work is there. Our many Hindus brothers investing their money by selling their lands and the property and the earning, they have tried to develop that 20 crore Aadhaar card area is there. In that area we all are living. Their vote bank. Then the sisters who are working like Sarojini Naidu, Sushma Swaraj, like Pratibha Patil, Lata Mangeshkar, Asha Bhosle, these types of sisters who are working in the field of development of India. 20 crore Aadhaar card is there. The each united God and Goddess, the various types of truths work, the saint, the Hindu saint who are working day and night propagating the Hindu religion in different ways. 20 crore Aadhaar card is there, and the government brothers and sisters who has come from 20 into 5, 16.66 into 6. I am trying to develop that government economic democratic system. 20 crore Aadhaar card is there. 120 crore Hindu population, 16.66 into 6 Aadhaar card is put in the Sardapur Lona Road, Darbhanga, Bihar, in 6 room. And you can imagine, by this way we can develop a organized democratic vote bank. We will be safeguard from the fiscal credit, self-earning, self-work, per month, SOAR, Election Commission of India. Every 5 years we can cross-check where we have taken other Aadhaar card, where we have not taken. And what will happen? A organized democratic setup will develop. For 5 years we will also get fiscal credit salary from the work of our parliamentarian, chief minister, brothers and sisters, prime minister, governor, president. And we will be self-reliant, and we can make ourselves human capital. I am trying to make you understand, organized self-employment ministry is the requirement of today. The documents we have to understand, the family relations which we have developed from the time immemorial in Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Brahma Saraswati Puran, the ISBN Puran of the Hindus, and the Durga Saptati Puran and Devi Bhagavad Puran, and the Varshkrit Hindu Varshkrit Puran, and the Indian Constitution Puran. The various types of marriage certificate is involved in this Aadhaar card. So what it is coming in the national level and on the state level, 6 unborn families are coming, 6 types of vote banks are coming. If we will document it through Amit Kumar Jha concept, because we are living in 2021, the basic requirement is employment. Our political brothers who has made in 1947 Election Commission of India, if we by the help of Amit Kumar Jha make an organized voting system, this is our work. Per month fiscal credit salary will come automatically. We can plan that we can save our money by Somvari, Mangalvari, Budhvari, Brahspatwari, Sukrvari, Sanivari, Ravivari. This much money we can save. This is the permanent money from the government side. And for this we have to worship Shiv Shakti, Vishnu Lakshmi, Ram Sita, Krishna Radha, Brahma Saraswati, Adi Shakti, Jagdamba, Pratik worship of the government issue. In English, welfare power, life money, law, education, family husband, truth saviors, and each worship God and Goddess, and the time husband, time government is. We have to understand, all are working 20 into 6, 120 crore Aadhaar card of Hindu is there. We have made our organized setup. We have purchased truth only trumps by calling Amit Kumar Jha 6397360717. and we have accepted organized self-employment ministry. We are telling to each other that by this system of organized vote, we can be self-employed. We can do optional work of organized self-employment ministry, because all politicians understand immediately 130 crore work cannot be produced. But senior direction can be made, fiscal credit can be made, and slowly we can develop. There was a time in 1947, 130 rupees per month earning was the statute of IAS office. Now it is above 30,000 per month. So you can understand the inflation and deflation. The time has changed, but the values is same. If we will understand the value, if we will put 6 Aadhaar card, the various types of marriage certificate, which has been done by the various families in India, Uttar Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Bihar, West Bengal, Gujarat, Maharashtra, Delhi. If we will put Aadhaar card in front of the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Durga Saptati, Brahma Puran, ISBN Puran of Hindus, where books has been written, and the Constitution of India, Hindu Varshit, and government Indian Constitution of Bhimrao Ambedkar. Aadhaar card 16.66 into 6, marriage certificate, Mangal Sutra. We will understand the voting system is involved in that. We have to see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle, governor in state from the governor angle, governor house angle, the Shiv Puran. If we will see from the national level, Shiv Puran from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I. And if we will see Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I. If we will see the Brahma Puran, that is ISBN Puran, the book written by Raja Ram Mohan Rai, Dayanand Saraswati, the Vinoda Bhave, Lata Mangeshkar, Rabindranath Tagore, Bankim Chand Chatterjee, Pratibha Patil, these types of persons, Dr. Rajendra Prasad, Jawaharlal Nehru, from that angle, 20 crore Aadhaar card from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle, and in state from the governor angle. If we will see Durga Saptati, the woman angle, the Pratibha Patil book, the Sarojini Naidu book, the various Vijay Lakshmi Pandit book, we will understand. And then we will put Aadhaar card 20 crore from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle. If we will see the vote bank of the women, and the Varshkit, Surya Chandra Navagraha Sankadi Muni, the various types of Indra, God, and various types of God, Saptrishi, all types of God, and we will put Aadhaar card 20 crore, and then we will see from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle, and the Constitution of India, the government angle, government angle. What we will find, that we have 16.66 into 6 organized Hindu vote. Those who have done graduation, if from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle, if they will see what they want to become, CEO, collector, doctor, engineer, this is from the Rashtrapati Bhavan I, from the governor house I. If we will understand, and if we will give importance to the work, and if we will by constitutionally assure the Aadhaar card to the political worker, to the industrial worker, to the educational worker, to the family worker, those who are living in family, the mother who is teaching her child, her daughter and son, how to become IITian. A great lecture of mother influence the child. The child like Vivekanand, Vinoda Bhave, or Dr. Rajendra Prasad, or Jawaharlal Nehru, or Pratibha Patil, or Lata Mangeshkar cannot become without the lecture of the mother who tries to influence the Hinduism, the 20 crore Rashtrapati Bhavan I, and the governor house I, the chief minister like Uddhav Thackeray, Sharad Pawar, the Amit Shah, the Sonia Gandhi, the Rahul Gandhi, and various types of dignitaries, the great mothers' views. We have to see, we have to understand, we have to acknowledge this. until and unless we will not respect this Aadhaar card setting, that these families are already in different types of cultural relations. We have to develop a organized setup. We have to develop Amiteshwarism, Amit Kumar Jhaism. We have to develop self-employment government job. This is the requirement of 2021. From 2001 I am propagating that we have to make one documented path where we can cross-examine each other. When we will give rights to each other, then only we can cross-examine. When father, mother give their own sons and daughter rights, then only the sons and daughter cross-examine that father, why have you not given one room allotted? I am trying to explain from Sardapur, Lonar or Darbhanga, Bihar, 6 room. That one room is of Shiv Shakti document, that is Shiv Parvati Mandir. One room is of Vishnu Lakshmi Mandir, that is document form. One room is of Brahma Saraswati. One room is of Adi Shakti Jagdamba and her husband. And the one room is of Varshkat Godavari. And one room is of Hindu, means government 20 into 5, 16.60. We have to acknowledge the work of each other. And when we will constitutionally acknowledge, self-employment government job will come. And regular income will come. 30,000 above and 30,000 below, definition will come in the society. And what will happen? Our youth will, at 18 years, can immediately join. We at 18, 32, 46, 58 years can join organized self-employment ministry. We can talk with each other. We are the sons of the Shiv Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, Vishnu Puran, Durga Saptati, Brahma Saraswati Puran, ISBN Puran, Durga Saptati, Varshkrit, Constitution of India. If we will understand, we will respect our work, automatically regular income will come. Our sisters and our brothers will not have to wander for the work like this. A organized worker, a organized politician will understand my vote bank is this, how I have to cross-examine that. We have to respect each other in our work. What we have to understand is the organized documents, and we have to see from the governor house eyes in the state and from the parliamentary vote bank eyes from the parliament and from the Vidhan Sabha and from the Rashtrapati Bhavan eye, that documents, that Aadhaar card of 120 crore Aadhaar card. We have to change our weakness to our strength. Our overpopulation is our weakness, and that is why we are moving here and there. We have to change it. We have to put in Sardapur, Lonar, Darbhanga, Bihar, that Aadhaar card, 6 room, 20 into 5, and then we have to change into vote bank, and then we have to make ourselves self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month soar, and we will become self-employed government job servant. Between 0 to 18 years, if we require, and 18 to 15 years for all, and the vote bank will develop, and politician can also cross-examine us. Bhai, you have not given vote, I have to work for you, I have given you fiscal credit salary per month, optional work and the regular work. We have to understand. Until and unless we will not develop the habit, how we will have regular income? How we will become self-employed government job? We have to come up with the faith and trust in Amit Kumar Jha, the vote trust as well as parliamentary trust. Until and unless we will not understand that our weakness should be our strength, our overpopulation, and our truth and non-violence discussing habits which our ancestors from 31st December 1885 till 31st August 1946 have developed by their own money. They made different sessions, discuss about the development of India. Today we are the dignified citizen of India. Any person can become anything. But one thing is required, that is regular income. that is organized life. Time and often we are not able to get money at time. This we can develop by truth only terms, by purchasing truth only terms, by becoming organized self-employed ministry and budget member, by our political brothers giving the document, this is the vote bank we are running. You have to manage us. We are your vote bank. You have to understand. When we will give our vote bank to our brothers political parties in organized self-employment ministry, they will understand. My voters are giving me, we have to manage this. I have been managing. They have kept faith in our management. 73 years Parliament of India is managing. Legislature, bureaucracy, army, secretariat, university, all are managing. One thing more is required: organized self-employment ministry and budget. Self-employment government job management by the system of Amit Kumar. Sardapur, Lonna Road, Darbhanga PM. 130 crore population there. Infinite population, infinite profession people are there. But the document is coming by one from the Election Commission of India. Election Commission card, Aadhaar card, the linking of the account number, all works we have done. Only thing is required by self-employment system. We can document ourselves. We will give our vote bank to the parliamentarians and Vidhan Sabha representative, chief minister and prime ministers, president and governor. By their signatures, we will get fiscal credit salary. Half of the fiscal credit salary will have our pension. Pension will get at 18, 32, 46, 58 year by self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credits to our finance commission. We have already finance commission made by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru. We have to write documents. Per month, we will give report to the senior member of organized self-employment ministry. We are illiterate, we are 10th pass, we are graduate, we are postgraduate. If we will document ourselves, if we will become self-employed, if we will respect the 20 crore works of the politicians, the political parties, the industrialist, 20 crore Aadhaar card work, the educationist, 20 crore Aadhaar card work, the 20 crore family members work, the 20 crore truth non-violence work, and the 20 crore government work of Hindus, 120 crore people, why not will be organized? Time has come. We have to understand Amit Kumar Jha. We have to purchase truth only terms. We have to purchase the truthness in our self-employment. We have to understand our self-confidence. If we will understand our self-confidence that yes, we can become the vote bank, and if we will mutually do agreement with the politicians that I will do this work, you will give me money, vice versa, the constitution setup will be developed, and what will happen? We all will be self-employed. A regular income will come. The insecurity of unemployment, irregular income will go from our mind. Our brothers and sisters who will roam on the road will have the guaranteed regular income from the organized self-employment ministry and budget. We have to understand this. We have to understand that we can do it. The 29 states, 6 union territory and the central government, the 130 crore Aadhaar card, the family relations which we have from the ancient time, and making fiscal credit, certain cash, certain fiscal credit per month swerve. Election Commission of India, by signing the document to our parliamentarians, MP and MLAs, constitutional work we will start doing. Optional work we can vice versa do in the industrial sector as well as in organized self-employment sector, and in this way a regular income setup will develop. A organized setup will develop. Wherever we will go, we can show our government card with Aadhaar card. In that organized self-employment ministry, I am in grade A, grade B according to the qualification which we are doing in our constitutional life from 0 to 18, 18 to 58 year. Time has come. We have to acknowledge little bit shifting in our constitution. little will shifting in our mind and putting in front of Shiv Puran the Aadhaar card with the Banarsi sari and dhoti, Vishnu Puran, Ramayana, Bhagavad Gita, putting Banarsi sari and dhoti and the 20 crore Aadhaar card, putting in front of Brahma Puran, the ISBN Puran, coming from the Vivekananda and the Rabindranath Tagore books, the ISBN certificate, Mohan Gandhi, Jawaharlal Nehru, Narendra Modi, different types of stalwarts who has written book, putting the 12 Banarasi sari and dhoti and 20 crore Aadhaar card, the Durga Sapsati 20 crore Aadhaar card, the Banarasi sari and dhoti and the Varshkrit 12 Banarasi sari and dhoti and Constitution of India 12 Banarasi and 20 crore Aadhaar card, and respecting in prayer that I will respect the politician work, I will respect the industrial work, I will respect the educationist work, I will respect the family work, I will respect the truth and non-violence work, I will respect the government work. What will happen? That respect will generate the momentum in society, the vote bank in society. What is our responsibility? What work I have started, I have to do it properly. The government will also understand, the politician will also understand that my brothers and sisters who are having this Aadhaar card, they are giving us written document. I can cross-examine it any time if they will try to disobey us. Politician can also write. And Amit Kumar Javad, we will become self-employed. We don't have to do. The legacy has been done from 5,000 years. I will recommend the 12 Jyotirlingas of all that. Automatically the organized self-employment ministry will make us flourish. We will get self-employment government job. Double work we can do, double salary. We will be secured by our truth, non-violence and unity. We have to understand the time has come. We have to be self-employed government job. We have to make fiscal credit per month soar Election Commission of India. With Finance Commission, every 5 years we have to also say self-earning, self-work, certain cash, certain fiscal credit Finance Commission of India. We have to attach our constitutional duty in written record that this duty I can do. Educational certificate, what we will earn, that will be our human capital formation by our self-effort. We can plan our life for the development. We have to purchase this truth only terms. We have to understand Amit Kumar Javad. We have to develop the faith and trust. Again, we have to generate the sessions which we have left. The respect, the political work, the industrial work, the educational work, the family work, the truth and non-violence work, and the work of government. All 6 work is 16.66 into 6 is equal to 120 crore Aadhaar card, and automatically we have developed the family affairs. Only thing is that we can make from the Rashtrapati Bhavan angle 6 Rashtrapati Bhavan angle and 6 Governor House angle vote bank, and we will change into constituent into 6 house, and we can transfer each other into preamble wise organized into 6 houses, and we will keep the LOC of administrations 30,000 above and 30,000 below. 70% of the population is below 30,000 per month under, if properly checked. 30% is only above. In that 18 and 12 ratios are there. We have to understand this, and this administrative machinery will change our life. We will be self-employed. Anywhere we will go, that organized self-employment ministry we can join, and we can understand this is my capability. I have made that fiscal credit, self-earning, self-work table also from this truth only terms. And according to that, we can understand this is our fiscal credit earning. The constitutional duty we will adopt by signing the agreement through the parliament. Automatically, we have to give validity. We have to understand the faith that we will work according to that, and parliament has the vote bank from this. Automatically, vice versa, we will work together and we can do good in our life. We have to understand Amit Kumar Sardapur Lonar Darbhanga Bihar. Thank you.